Hey seniors, Miss E here. I have a few quick announcements for you before we go on our short week. And I wanted you to just be reminded over break. December 4th, Spokane Falls Community Colleges will be here at Shadle in the Career Center from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. There is a flyer for signups going out via Instagram and also in School Links and Mr. Dunn's newsletter. Additionally, December 5th, two things happening. Western Washington University will be here for an incident missions workshop. The flyers are out for you to sign up via School Links and the newsletter. Also, all-day field trip to Whitworth because that trip was rescheduled. Those of you who signed up in School Links will get or have gotten permission slips. I need those back by December 2nd. That field trip is all day. Also on Friday the 5th and on Monday, December 8th, there is a virtual financial aid support session with me from 6 to 7:30 p.m. via Teams. The join link and QR code are on the flyer. Please check and come.